What are you actively doing for your heart health? Hey, this is Dr. Rando. I'm a health and healing advocate and author, and I do these Friday videos of tips and suggestions for how you can improve your health and truly heal so you can live a longer, happier, authentic life. So we're approaching the end of February, which is Heart Health Awareness Month in the US. And just a couple things to think about. Number one, heart disease is the number one killer in America. And guess what? It is preventable. Let me say that again. We can prevent heart attacks and heart disease, and we can do it without lots of prescription drugs. So if you're with a doctor right now who is giving you drugs for hypertension, drugs for cholesterol, drugs for whatever else, without having you do any changes in nutrition or lifestyle, please find another doctor. Ideally, maybe a naturopath. But we know that heart disease is preventable with diet and lifestyle changes. And so we know that food is the number one culprit. But if you're still in the old paradigm that's been disproved about a decade ago, that you're afraid of saturated fats or any fats, that's the wrong paradigm. That's the wrong way to go. So let me give you the two best things you can do with your diet for your heart health. Because what we've found is that it's not fat that's correlated with heart disease, with stroke, with cancers, with many other metabolic and chronic illnesses, but it's actually sugar, simple carbs, and insulin resistance. So, number one thing you can do starting today is eliminate all or almost all sugary beverages. The sodas, the juices, the energy drinks, the sport drinks, anything you put sugar in, stop it. Reduce it to as small a number as possible. Sugar is the poison and an addictive poison that is slowly killing us. And I also believe it's the gateway drug because it affects us, gives us a little boost, and that leads to wanting bigger boost with bigger drugs. But sugar is definitely a drug. The second thing you can do is eliminate as many convenience foods, the packaged, the frozen, the fast foods, the takeouts as possible. Because almost all these foods also contain added sugars and they contain unhealthy fats. Most of these products contain what we call seed oils, which are industrial oils, highly inflammatory, way high in omega-6 fatty acids. And they're cheap, which is why food marketers use it, because the crops are subsidized by our government. Yes, the food system is broken in this country. So that also means stop buying low fat, no fat. Just don't focus on the fat, and especially the healthy fats, but do focus on the unhealthy fats. So those two things related to food, beverages and ultra-processed foods. The third thing you can do, and I really implore you to start doing this, is move your body every day. I call them exercise snacks. Every hour I get up, do 5 to 10 minutes of exercise, both aerobic, so you're breathing harder, and resistance, so you're building muscle and maintaining muscle mass. You do those three things and your heart will be so much healthier, so much happier, And so will your body, so will your brain, so will your gut. It's not complex to have better health. So please start today for a healthier heart, a healthier gut, a healthier brain, most importantly, a healthier you, right? All right, I'm really pulling for you. I want everyone to find health and healing. Take care. Have a wonderful weekend. I will see you next week.